Not all engines are built to last, and some cars have engines that fail before they even reach 39,000 miles. In this list, we highlight 25 of the least reliable car engines, turning what seemed like dream cars into costly nightmares. BMW N63 V8 engine, 2008 to 2012. Known for high power and performance, but also plagued with reliability issues. Problems include high oil consumption, turbo failures, valve stem seal leaks, coolant leaks, carbon buildup, and injector failures. Repair costs can range from $5,000 to $10,000 annually. The engine's turbocharger placement generates excessive heat, causing the oil to burn quickly. Isuzu 3.0 V6 diesel engine, max. Often found in Renault models, this engine has poor cabling and frequent electrical problems. The Denso injectors are unreliable and costly to replace. Cooling system blockages can cause overheating, leading to expensive repairs. Toyota 2.2 DCAT diesel engine, 2005 to 2015. While powerful, this engine produces excessive smoke, clogging the diesel particulate filter, DPF, quickly. Replacing a clogged DPF can cost up to $2,500. Issues with the head gasket design require expensive repairs. Subaru 2.0D diesel engine, 2008 to 2020. Known for high oil consumption and issues with injectors. Maintenance is labor-intensive, and replacing parts like the diesel particulate filter and injectors can be costly. The engine's design doesn't support long-term durability. Cadillac Northstar 4.6 V8 engine, 2000s. Famous for head gasket problems and difficult-to-repair design. The aluminum threads in the engine block strip easily, leading to blown head gaskets. The engine's transverse position makes repairs even more difficult. Mazda 1.3 Renesis engine, 2004 to 2012. A rotary engine known for high oil and fuel consumption, leading to wear and tear over time. The engine requires expensive repairs when components like the apex seals wear out, often before reaching 39,000 miles. BMW N47 diesel engine, 2007 to 2012. Known for timing chain failures, which can cause catastrophic engine damage. Other common issues include oil leaks and gasket failures, leading to repair costs as high as $11,000. Audi 2.5 V6 TDI engine, 1997 to 2005. The design flaw in the cylinder head leads to rapid camshaft wear. If oil changes aren't frequent enough, these components suffer additional strain, leading to costly repairs that can range from $2,000 to $3,000. Toyota 4GR FSE V6 engine. Despite Toyota's solid reputation, this engine suffers from carbon buildup on intake valves, weak timing chain tensioners, and premature wear of piston rings. Repairs for issues like cracked cylinder heads can cost up to $4,800. Mini Prince engine, N14. Found in Mini Cooper S models, this engine is prone to timing chain tensioner failures, turbocharger wastegate problems, and gearbox issues. Replacing the entire shifter assembly can cost between $600 and $800. Renault 2.2 DCI engine, 1999 to 2009. This engine has a weak head gasket that leads to coolant leaks and overheating. Fuel injectors are also prone to failure, requiring expensive repairs, sometimes over $2,000. BMW S65 V8 engine, E90, E92M3. This high-performance engine is prone to rapid bearing wear, especially if the oil isn't properly warmed. The throttle body actuator is another weak point, leading to costly repairs of over $3,000. Fiat 1.3 multijet engine, 2003 to 2009. This small engine has major problems with oil consumption, frequent timing chain issues, and coolant leaks. It's also susceptible to condensation in the intake manifold, especially in cold weather. Skoda 1.2 HTP engine, 2002 to 2007. Known for a weak timing system that can cause the timing chain to jump, even when parked on a slope. The engine also suffers from burnt valves and other mechanical issues, making it unreliable. Chevrolet 2.2 LO inline 4 engine. Found in Chevrolet Cavalier and Pontiac Sunfire, this engine suffers from early head gasket failures, oil leaks, and misfires. Its acceleration is slow, and it often struggles to reach 39,000 miles before major issues arise. Ford 1.5L or 2.0L EcoBoost engine. Plagued with problems including rattling due to low-quality fuel, oil leaks, and engine fires. Some owners have reported that the engine failed to start even after replacements under warranty. Chevrolet 5.3L Ecotec 3V V8 engine, 2021 Chevy Suburban. Known for a major design flaw involving weak plastic lifter keepers that can lead to engine failure. Repairs can cost over $4,000, and the engine's durability is questionable. 3.6L Pentastar V6 engine, Jeep Wrangler, 2018. The Total Integrated Power Module, TIPM. In this engine controls nearly all electrical functions. When it fails, it causes significant issues, including failure to start. Repair costs can exceed $1,500. GM 2.4L Quad 4 engine, Pontiac Grand Am, Buick Skylark. This engine has an oil change monitor system that fails to accurately track oil life, leading to engine trouble if owners follow it blindly. It lacks the power and reliability expected from larger engines. Alfa Romeo 2.0 Twinspark 16V engine. Loved by enthusiasts for its performance, but known for being temperamental and requiring perfect maintenance. Cold starts are a weak point, and improper care can lead to costly breakdowns. Volkswagen 1.2 TSI engine. This engine has timing chain system issues that often result in failures early on, sometimes between 20,000 and 40,000 miles. The timing chain tends to stretch, causing significant engine damage and repair costs. Nissan 1.5L and 1.8L QG engines, 1999 to 2006. Known for excessive oil consumption, these engines burn oil at a rapid rate. Piston ring wear makes these engines unreliable, leading to engine failures and expensive repairs. Saab 2.0 and 2.3 turbo engines, 1990 to 2010. These engines face heat management problems, causing overheating of the engine block and turbocharger. Regular oil changes are crucial, and neglecting them can lead to costly repairs due to oil sludge buildup. Here are two more cars with unreliable engines for you. 24. Ford 6.0L Power-Stroke Diesel Engine, 2003 to 2007. The Ford 6.0L Power-Stroke Diesel engine, used in Ford Super Duty trucks, is notorious for its mechanical issues. While the engine offers impressive torque and towing capabilities, it is infamous for frequent breakdowns. Key problems include failed head gaskets, oil cooler failure, and EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, cooler leaks. The high repair costs to address these issues can quickly escalate to over $5,000. Other recurring problems include turbocharger failures and fuel injectors that tend to clog and malfunction. When problems arise, owners often face significant downtime, and even after repairs, the engine's reliability remains questionable. To make matters worse, the truck's fuel system is prone to severe contamination, which adds to the repair burden. Many owners find themselves dealing with multiple issues long before reaching 100,000 miles, and this engine is widely regarded as one of the least reliable diesel engines in its class. 25. Honda 1.8L VTEC engine, 2001 to 2005. The 1.8L VTEC engine used in older Honda Civic and Acura RSX models was initially lauded for its performance and efficiency. However, over time, this engine has become infamous for a number of reliability issues that often appear before the 35,000-mile mark. One of the main issues is the failure of the VTEC solenoid, which leads to poor engine performance and a decrease in fuel efficiency. Additionally, this engine has been known to suffer from excessive oil consumption, with some owners reporting that they needed to add oil between oil changes. Another common problem is the failure of the timing chain, which can lead to catastrophic engine damage if not addressed promptly. While the engine itself is generally durable, the issues with the VTEC system and timing chain make it unreliable for long-term ownership. Repairing the VTEC solenoid or replacing the timing chain can lead to costs exceeding $1,000, making it an expensive proposition for owners who want to keep their cars running smoothly. Conclusion: choosing the right engine is crucial for long-term car reliability. The engines on this list are proof that even the most anticipated models can quickly turn into maintenance nightmares. If you're considering buying a car, Be sure to research the engine thoroughly to avoid unexpected breakdowns and high repair costs.